Uh, have a very good morning, guys. Good foggy morning. Oh, it's a good time to walk. It's not too hot and too cold. I know that I collected these six materials of Murap and cooler to we put some months. Yeah, here it is. These guys I collected. I did this gin or whatever it is, gin or sai, because it goes towards the Nibari. I did it yesterday, and in this foggy morning, I want to do some work on my great stops. Uh-huh. Black coffee in the great foggy morning. I'm working on this guy. I think it's too long. That's why I have to reduce the size, the total length of the tree. I splitted the unnecessary bugs yesterday. Yeah, here it is. Look at this. Sure. But it's too long. That's why I have to reduce it. I want this will be apex, maybe in future. And now I'm ginning all this upper part of the portion. But you know that it's not the perfect time. Don't do this in winter. But I'm doing it because I want to experiment on this tree. That's why. Okay, let me see. Oh, at least I did it after 5.5 hours. I told you that it will be the apex in future, but for now I didn't gin this upper branch, this one. I will do it after new growth, maybe in March or April. I told you that winter is not the perfect season for ginning. but here I'm doing only for a new experiment. Last week of February or first week of March you can do it. By the way, that I saw many use to gin or sari or any dedude in deciduous variety, but grammatically it's not correct. The hardwood and the sapwood both are usually very soft and deciduous, so they easily rotten by the times. That's why you can't find any old deadwood in the deciduous in nature also. And that bonsai is just a replica of nature, so it's better to avoid deciduous variety to make any kinds of deadwood. You can try it in evergreen, any kind of evergreen you can try, and conifer is the best. And now, mind that one thing, all the deciduous has a lots of chlorophyll under its trunk and the branch segment, not only in the leaves. In the dormant season, when there are no leaves, this chlorophyll is to supply food to this tree. But for the evergreen and the conifer, there is no dormancy. That's why they carry chlorophyll only in the leaves, So when you're gonna prune your tree, you can prune all the branches or you can defoliate all the tree for the deciduous variety. But don't do this in evergreen or in a conifer. If you prune all the branches or defoliate all the tree, it can be dry because they carry chlorophyll only in the leaves, but not only in the branch or in the trunk segment, So leave 30% of overall foliage and you can prune or defoliate 70% for evergreen or a conifer, Here in this Mura paniculata, it's a evergreen variety, I pruned I pruned the total upper part for ginning. That's why I'm leaving this branch for now. After new growth in March and April, I will gin this branch also. Then the new growing juvenile branches from the lower part of the tree can supply the food to the tree, Yep, I completed my whole work, I covered the gin part by a plastic and wrapped it by a tape. Look at this carefully. I wrapped by a transparent plastic tape. Actually, it will reduce the dehydration, Basically, it's winter now, so I'm using this technique. But I would suggest not to gin in this winter. I told you before that it's only my experiment job now. Okay, bye bye, take care, and ciao, ciao, guys. Have a nice day, and I'll slowly post the updates. Let's keep in touch. Good day.